Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve a differential calculus problem that uses product rule. So we have a problem here, y is equal to 3x squared plus 5 times the quantity 8x plus 5. So in product rule, it states that let's copy the first term, which is 3x squared plus 5. Then let's derive the second term, 8x plus 5. If we derive it, that is 8 plus, let's copy the second term, 8x plus 5. Then derive the first term, 3x squared, that is 6x. Then we can distribute 8 here and 6x here. 3x squared times 8, that is 24x squared. 5 times 8, that is 40, plus 8x times 6x, that is 48x squared. 5 times 6x, that is 30x. Then we can combine 24x squared and 48x squared here. And 24 plus 48, that is 72x squared. Then let's copy the 30x and 40. I think, I forgot the prime here. I think that's the final answer for the problem, since we can further simplify it. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something again today. See you again next time.